YouTube. Let's discuss LeetCode problem number 228, summary ranges. Before we discuss, please share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, I have added a lot of quizzes to the community page. Please check it out. Now, back to the problem. You are given a input vector of numbers. You need to summarize them as ranges by basically identifying the consecutive numbers. So in this case, you have 0, 1, 2, so you summarize it as 0 to 2, and then 3 is not there, so you start off with a 4 and 5 as another summarization, and then 7 alone. So this is how you need to return the summarized return vector. I call this as for while same index pattern, because the key to this solution is both for and while loop, they actually work on the same loop index. So together the for and while loop move through the input vector. So that's the idea behind naming this pattern. So you have the resultant vector answers. Now you go through the input numbers. You start off with begin equals to nums of I. In this case, it is 0. And now you loop through while I plus 1 is a guarded check here to make sure you are not accessing a out of bound index, while I plus 1 is less than nums dot size, and check if nums I equals to nums I plus 1 minus 1, means basically they are consecutive numbers. You keep incrementing. Once in this case between 2 and 4 the gap is not 1 but it is 2, so you come out of this while loop, and then you set the end as nums I. And if begin equals to end, in this case in the case of 7, if you say begin equals to end, you just add that number, and if there is a range more than 1, then you do begin arrow end. That's how you format it, and that's it. Like in this case it goes 0 to 2, and then writes this, and then goes into the for loop. In the second iteration it writes 4 through 5, and in the third iteration it does 7, and that's it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Otherwise I will see you in the next video. Bye.